guys, you might be wondering why I'm on my phone.
And we're in the bathroom.
I'm in the bathroom.
We're not gonna go.
We're gonna do a prank where because Jason's little sister just came over here upstairs and said, "There's someone at the door. There's someone on the front lawn."
If she saw that video,
and then she came out.
Bella, something.
Yeah.
Bella, something.
If you've seen that video, you'll know why.
And Chandler was crying.
If you didn't, go see that video, and then you'll see why. Okay? So now I'm gonna search up.
What?
I'm gonna search up creepy doorbell sounds.
Oh, it's not. Is that you?
No.
That was not Chandler.
Creepy doorbell sounds. That's probably just Alec.
Do a better doorbell sound, like a way better one. Like a really good one. Like a really good one. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one.
No.